Hello friends, today's topic 7 stocks for future super profits. Economic Times newspaper. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Other day we had made a video Sensex 1,50,000 by 2029. 4 reasons. We have made a video recently on Ramdev Agarwal's prediction of Sensex touching 1,50,000 mark in 5 years by 2029. So he is expecting Sensex to double in 5 years. But before it goes to 1,50,000, it has to cross the 1 lakh mark first. This could happen in the next 2 to 3 years. The following are some of the top stock ideas of brokerage companies for Sensex to grow from 75,000 to 1 lakh mark as compiled by Economic Times newspaper. Number 1, Vedanta. As commodity prices have been rising, Vedanta stock has been on an uptrend due to the expectation of higher profits for the company. Its target price has also been raised to 390 per share. The dividend yield is around 7 to 8% per annum as of now. Second, Reliance Industries. As per analysts, the various businesses of Reliance Industries such as new energy, refining, chemicals, telecom, retail will get higher valuations due to reduction in debt and increase in market share of the businesses. Also, the telecom and retail divisions will be separately listed in the near future, which will increase the total valuation of the Reliance Industries Group. 3. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has been one of the best performing large banks in the last 3 to 5 years. Its NPA figures have been stable and its business has been growing at a good pace in the last few years. Especially since HDFC Bank has been underperforming in the last few years, ICICI Bank has been in favorite of the institutions and retail investors. 4. Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel has been increasing its profit margins over the last few quarters and it has been able to compete well against Reliance Jio. Since the competition is minimal in the telecom sector, Bharti Airtel is expected to grow further as Vodafone Idea loses market share. Number 5, HAL. HAL has been regularly getting orders from the Indian Air Force and brokerage companies are very bullish about the stock. It has also started getting business from foreign defense companies and it has recently tied with General Electric for technology sharing for manufacturing jet engines. 6. Macrotech Developers. Macrotech Developers, formerly called as Lodha Developers, is expected to grow with increasing demand for residential projects. Brokerage companies are expecting 15 to 20% annual growth in Macrotech's revenues in the next few years. Number 7. Zomato became profitable recently and it has managed to control its costs. Its quick delivery division Blinkit is also a big hit in cities since people are busy and the traffic makes it difficult to buy items quickly. So this service is expected to become more popular in the years to come. So we have presented the compilation of Economic Times newspaper of which stocks brokerage companies are bullish about. Even in the horizon of 2 to 3 years, many of these companies have great potential. At the end of the video, here is a question. How long do you intend to invest and hold stocks for the long term? Type the number of years in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.